Hi everyone! Welcome to Data Analytics with the Elldy Data Intelligence Platform. Let's get into today's topic. What is data cleaning? Data cleaning is the process of identifying and fixing errors in raw data to make it accurate and ready for analysis. Understand the dataset first. Before cleaning the data, we should understand the data types in the dataset. Data usually has three main types: categorical data, values like city, gender, or product name; numerical data, numbers used for calculations such as sales, age, or quantity. Both integer and float values are considered numerical data. Date data, values related to time, such as order date or transaction date. Understanding these data types helps us decide how to clean and handle the data properly. What are outliers? Outliers are values that are extremely higher or lower compared to the rest of the data. Example: most salaries are around 50,000, but one value is 5 million. Action: outliers can be detected using IQR or Z-score methods, and then investigated or removed if necessary. What are missing values? Missing values occur when some data fields are empty or not recorded in the dataset. Example: a customer dataset may have missing values in the age or salary column. How to handle missing values: fill with mean. Replace the missing value with the average value of the column. This method works well when the data is normally distributed and has no extreme outliers. Example: if ages are 20, 25, 30, 35, the average is 27.5. So the missing value can be replaced with 27.5. Fill with median. Replace the missing value with the middle value of the sorted data. This method works better when the data has outliers. Example: ages 20, 25, 30, 35, 100. The median is 30, so the missing value can be filled with 30. Fill with mode. Replace the missing value with the most frequently occurring value. This method is mostly used for categorical data. Example: city, Hyderabad, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai. The most frequent value is Hyderabad, so the missing value can be filled with Hyderabad. What are duplicate records? Duplicate records occur when the same data appears more than once in the dataset. Example: the same customer ID or transaction recorded twice. Action: identify duplicate rows and remove the extra records, keeping only one correct entry. What is inconsistent data and dates? Inconsistent data occurs when the same information is stored in different formats, spellings, or letter cases in a dataset. Example: dates. Dates written in different formats, like the ones shown on the screen. Example: inconsistent text. City names written in different spellings or letter cases, like the examples shown on the screen. This is also called a case-sensitive issue, where the same word appears in uppercase, lowercase, or mixed case. Action: convert all values into one standard format, such as using the same date format and converting text into consistent letter case, like all uppercase or all lowercase. How to clean a dataset using the Elldy platform. In business environments, datasets usually contain thousands or even millions of records. Because of this, cleaning data manually is not practical. Most modern platforms provide built-in features to clean data automatically. Let's look at this dataset. In this dataset, we can see missing values, duplicate records, inconsistent dates, and case-sensitive text such as upper and lower cases. Before analysis, we need to clean the dataset to make it accurate and reliable. Now let's clean this dataset using the Elldy Data Intelligence Platform. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free on Elldy. After logging in successfully, simply drag and drop your file into the upload area. That's it. Elldy will automatically process your dataset. The platform includes an auto-clean feature that helps handle common data issues. It can fill missing values using mean, median, or mode methods, remove duplicate records, and convert inconsistent dates into a standard format. You can also check the summary section, which shows the complete activity and explains how Elldy cleaned the dataset. Here, you can compare the before and after versions of the dataset. Now the cleaned dataset is ready for analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked my explanation and the way the topic was presented, please give your feedback by liking, sharing, and commenting on this video. For more videos on data analytics, and deeper understanding of data, don't forget to subscribe and follow.